Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, depending the time and the country you're watching this video from. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fine guys. Welcome again to Akaliche Vlogs Kenya. Thank you so much for watching, liking and subscribing. Welcome today to this recipe of the day. Today I'm going to make hot dogs at home. Yeah, I'm going to make hot dogs at home. We are going to use just what we have, and I think it will come out yummy. So here first I have to fry the sausages. And then I make the onions. I fry the onions, and then I'll make the salad. And then I think you'll see how I'll make it. Please just follow step by step, and I want you to note that you can do this at your own time. You can make this at home. You can do this for your family, your kids, your guests. You can do it. So welcome guys, and thank you so much for joining. Keep in mind to like, to share.
On the floor, hand in hand, spinning round. Can't we stand? Lights are bright, love's inside. Every move feels so right. Lucky, lucky, so in love. Dancing, dancing up above. Heartbeat racing, oh so wild. In your arms, we feel like child. Every step, side by side, in this moment, can we hide? Rhythms pulling, pulling tight, lost in love. Every night, lucky, lucky, so in love. Dancing, dancing up above. Heartbeat racing, oh so wild. In your arms, we feel like child. Ooh yeah. Never let go through the night. Let it flow. Feel the beat, hearts entwine under stars. You are mine. Lucky, lucky, so in love. Dancing, dancing up above. Heartbeat racing, oh so wild. In your arms, we feel like child.
I walk so far from heaven's light, chase the world into the night. But every step, my soul grew cold, longing for a hand heart was heavy, full of shame. But then I cried out to your name. I return to you with all my heart. Forgive the tears, the broken parts. You lift me up, you make me new. My Savior, Lord, I come to you with open arms. You welcome me. Your grace has set this captive free. I tried to hide behind my pride, but your love found me where I lied. You saw the pain behind my smile and waited for me all the while. Now I surrender, take it all. I need your mercy.